Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you three ways in which you are going to be able to get free US bank accounts. Yeah, these free US bank accounts are from banks recognized out there, and you're going to be able to use it to carry out pretty a lot of processes. Yes, this I've used this bank account and I can say that they have done a great job, and they've really made a lot of processes quite easy for me because you don't really need to go to banks to do anything. Key note here is these bank accounts aren't domiciliary bank accounts. Yeah. I know you must have heard of what domiciliary bank accounts are. If you haven't heard of it, then you're not going to get confused at all. But for those who have heard of domiciliary bank accounts, you should know that these bank accounts aren't domiciliary bank accounts. So guys, I don't want to waste much time. We'll just go straight and I'm going to show you these three platforms in which you're going to be able to get this bank account. Now, before we go down into my laptop screen for me to show you this, go down there and smash the subscribe button so I can keep the growth of this channel, I can keep the productivity on this channel, and I can continue dropping more valuable content like this. Now let's head over to the laptop screen and let me show you how everything is going to be done. So guys, we're in my laptop screen now. The first platform we have here is Payoneer. Payoneer is quite a popular platform. For some of you, this might not be the first time you're hearing about Payoneer, and maybe for some of you have even used Payoneer before. Payoneer offers bank accounts. It offers a virtual bank accounts. Let's head over there. Coming down to receiving accounts, you can just head over, check the URL up there. You can get it and then create a Payoneer bank account. So you can see here we have about I have four bank accounts. I actually have a Canadian bank account. I have a Japanese bank account, a bank account from UK, a US bank account. Yeah, I actually have this bank account. I've never used my Canadian bank account. I've never used my Japanese bank account, and not even that of UK. The only one I've been using is that of the US. I think I have more than this. I think I have the pounds bank account or something. Yeah. But for the focus of this video, we're just looking at the US bank account, and here you can see we have Payoneer, which offers bank account. Now, some things you should know with Payoneer is Payoneer doesn't really have a limit. It's very flexible. You can send out any amount, and most importantly, you can receive any amount. You can receive directly into your Payoneer account and withdraw it straight into your Naira bank account. But here is the thing: I'm not going to advise you to withdraw from your Payoneer bank account straight to your Naira bank account. There are pretty much better ways you can do this. And if you don't have any other option, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video on how you can withdraw from Payoneer to your bank account at the best market rate. The second here we have is Gray. Yeah, Gray is quite a new platform. Not really new, but compared to Pioneer, Gray is a new platform. I've used it and I used it a couple of weeks back, and this is my balance here. So for Gray also offers bank accounts. Let's head over to bank accounts and reports. You're going to see that these are the bank accounts we have. That's my Japanese bank account, my US bank account, and my Euro bank account. So you can see I have the three bank accounts here, and specifically for this, we're looking for the US bank account, which Gray also provides. Now, Gray is a bit more flexible because unlike Payoneer, you can only receive money from companies or from organizations or from bigger platform or registered company per se. But with Gray, you can receive money from individuals. If you receive money from an individual into your Payoneer account, the money is going to be refunded back to the individual's account and you won't really have anything in your account. But Gray gives you the liberty to receive money from different sources. You can receive money from individuals into your Gray account. So it's quite a good platform, and Gray offers you one of the best market rates out there, and it's you are able to withdraw from Gray directly into your bank account, into your Naira bank account to be precise. So you can go ahead and give Gray a try, and then you are going to be able to experience one of the best transactions you've ever used. I'm going to be dropping down my link for signing up on Gray. You can see I'm going to be dropping out my referral link, yes, in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and sign up for Gray, and I'm really going to appreciate that. The third platform here we have is our GP. Yeah, I call it GP. I don't know if I'm right, but that's not the problem for today. So this platform is quite interesting, and here is one of the most interesting part, you have dollar cards. But don't worry about that. Let's move to the business of the day, which is the accounts, and we'll get back to the cards. So here you can find the virtual accounts. You can see you can go here, find your virtual account. I haven't really created a card here because I actually have another account here where I do everything. I just created this as a new account. So you can have invoices. I think it's pretty much an interesting platform. You have the cards currently. Most bank cards, most Nigerian bank cards don't have more than $20 limit, and platforms like Bata and some other platforms are were offering virtual card services and now down. So if you're looking for a better way to purchase online or flow with your transactions online, make some subscriptions, then trust me, GP is going to do a great job for you. The other platform out there for cards, and if you need that, I can actually make a video on that, but that's not a business for today. Now, here's a roundup of everything you need to know about these three platforms from Payoneer, Gray, GP. I don't really want to give a lot of options because any other option you are getting currently will still have something related to these ones, or this might just be better than them. So here is something I really need you to understand about these three. Now, for the three of them, you don't really need. I don't. There's no difference between Payoneer, Gray, and GP because these three are still going to request for your identity verification, which is your ID card. If you're Nigerian, don't worry about that. As long as you have your NIM slip, that's not the ID card, the slip. I think that's what almost 70% of Nigerians have currently. So if you just have the NIM slip, platforms actually accept just the NIM slip, so you don't really have to worry about anything. So for some time, when I was creating my US account with Gray, it actually took some time. I can't speak of the current situation now, but it's actually not going to take less than a day for you to have that. But then you definitely have it. And if you're experiencing delays, you can go ahead. I think for all these platforms, they all have chat buttons. GP has a chat button here. You can contact them. Gray also has a chat button here. You can contact them. Payoneer doesn't really have a chat button, but it has a contact form where you go fill your form, and they're definitely going to reply to you soon. So you don't really have to worry about any of that. Now, for limitations, you can use Gray, GP. They all function almost the same way. Depends on what you want. So you have the liberty to choose what works best for you. Currently, I use all of them. Yeah, I use all of them. But then, if you're looking for virtual cards, then among the three here, yes, Payoneer also has a virtual card, but the terms and conditions for getting that, you might not get there quick. So if you need something urgent, then GPay will be the best for you to go for. Let me close up this. So you can just head over here to create your card. Look at everywhere. Go down. See here, I don't actually have a card now, but if I had a card, I don't use the virtual card here because I have another virtual card. But notwithstanding, this is a perfect platform. I know a couple of people using this and it serves them perfectly, and I'm sure it's also going to serve you perfectly. So guys, go ahead and try out these platforms. Let me know your feedback. If you encounter any difficulty using any of these platforms, just come back to the comment section. I have my email at the about section of this channel. You can also mail me. You can just come here to the contact section of this channel, contact me, and most importantly, you can drop a comment and I'm going to reply you. And if anything requires a video, that's cool. I'm still going to go ahead and make a video on whatsoever you want me to do. But before you leave, guys, I hope this video was interesting, and if you would love more educative content like this, I actually hope to be bringing out this as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't subscribe earlier, make sure you subscribe and like this video. That's just the best encouragement for me over here. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video.